Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can add product in Printify. So we want to add our product, so we want to add our image, our design which we created, and we have it in PDF or in PNG or JPEG. So let's go and do that. Now head over here to the catalog and select here from bunch of accessories, men clothing, women clothing, kid clothings. I will go with the simplest one. Let's go with the hoodie. And I will select, let's say this one right over here. It looks cool. Or this one. Let's go with that one. Right here, we will see some information and click here to the design. Now what we are going to do, we will upload our product. So click on the upload and go from my device. Alright, now I just need to find it. So let's go with that one. It doesn't matter. Or with that one. What we have. Okay, let's go with that one. Click upload. And now this file will be added right on our hoodie. Just like that. And this is how we can add our product to the hoodie in Printify. So I hope this video helped you out. Now how to edit this, you have the video about how to design t-shirt in Printify. So I suggest that you check this video out. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.